Hi students, this is Ms. Bullock, and here I am in CK12, and I wanted to show you some work that I did in how to read your scores in CK12. So I actually, you see that I practice 230%, so you go over 100%, and I'm not really concerned about that number. That's just the number that I got correct out of the number I did. So I actually ended up doing 29 problems. And the reason I did 29 is because I answered some questions incorrectly. And what that did for my skill level over here, it put me in the yellow. And I didn't want to be yellow. I wanted to be in the green. So I kept going until I could get my skill level in the green. So let's take a look at skill level. So skill level, actually there's 5 skill levels you could have. You could have beginning. That means you actually probably need to study some more and try to get the concept down. Exploring, you know a little bit more. Developing, you're kind of in the middle. Proficient says, hey, I'm okay. I kind of know this wholeheartedly. But mastery says, I really know these concepts. I'm rarely going to get anything wrong. So if you click on that eye, that tells you that. So anytime you do anything in CK12, it tells you, it gives you these numbers here. So here it's telling me the number I got correct. I did 29 questions, so I got 6 wrong. So, and I kept going because I didn't want to be in that developing category. So you guys know the more that you do, the greater your grade will be. Here it's telling me how many I got right in a row. Here is telling me the time I spent in this. And then, of course, here is telling me my skill level, and I am proficient with this. All right. If we go down just a little bit more, you see that I did 23 questions right out of 29. I had 15 that were easy, and I got all of those right. That's what that complete circle means. I did 8 that were medium, and I did a little over half I got right. So this is where I went wrong. And then I didn't get anything that was hard. If I would have got something was hard and got it correct, my mastery level or my skill level would have went up. So now then I can look at the questions I did. So I got an easy question, I got it right. I got a medium question and I got it wrong. And so I actually was being very lazy. And the question says use a calculator to figure out the approximate value of the hypotenuse. You may round your answer to the nearest hundredth. I didn't want to pull out the calculator, so I just guessed. And so you see what it did with my skill level. My guessing actually took my skill level down, so I didn't have very much skill with guessing. So all of them that were like that, they were medium. I didn't take out the calculator and I just guessed until later. I stopped guessing and said, "Oh, okay, maybe I shouldn't guess on those problems." So another medium problem, I got it wrong, right? And so you could go through and look at your problems to see where you are. Another medium problem, again, I didn't take out the calculator, just being lazy. So you don't want to be lazy. You actually want to go through and do the best that you can, because I'm going to base your grade off of this right here, not that you did 230% or you did 100% of the work. So make sure that you're doing all that. You guys have fun, okay?